Good morning, YouTubers. This is Steve from Steve's Homestead Workshop, and on an earlier video I had spoke about showing some solar on this channel, and that's what we're going to do this morning. This is a mobile unit. It's a Palmister all-in-one inverter. I have 200 amp hour Chin batteries and 200 amp hour Redodo batteries, and these batteries are clones of each other, so there's no issues. Basically the same BMSs are used. So the two Chins are hooked together to make 24 volts, and the two Redodos are hooked together to make 24 volts. With that said, this inverter is capable of 3,000 watts. I run a fair amount of items on this out in the man cave, which is attached to the workshop, and I've really enjoyed it since I've had it, and it helps hold the electric bill down a little bit. And right now it's hooked to 1,200 watts of solar panels, and we'll walk outside and take a look at that. I'm using a power strip to plug into right now. It's powering a 65-inch Quantum TV. It powers a stereo system, also Blu-ray player. Have a turntable down here, so all of that basically can run off of this with no issues. The green light you're seeing, that means it's charging. The yellow light is the inverter is in use. And like I said, we'll walk outside and look at the solar. Be right back. Okay, here are the 1,200 watts of solar panels. These are all 100 watt panels. They're JJN panels, which I found to be very good, and I have a few Renogies mixed in, but they're all 9BB panels. Those 300 are hooked together. These 300 are hooked together, which the JJNs and the Renogies have the exact same specs, so they're capable of doing the same, hooked together. There's another 300 JJNs worth of panels. I also have a 400 watt array over here, which I use with a small mobile system. And then I have another 540 over here, and these are 180 watt Bouge RV panels. Got 3 of those together, and they are for another system, and we'll take a look at those. Okay, this little small system right here has a 1,200 watt inverter. It's built into a Stanley used to make these rolling toolboxes, and that's what this is made from. And it has a little display here to show you what the voltage is, and it has a Renogy charge controller. Battery here, and I'm not sure if this is correct. Vatterer, I think is the name, but this battery seems to be as good as the Chins or the Redodo. And this one does have low voltage protection. The 500 watts of panels, or excuse me, the 540 watts of panels is hooked to this system. This has two 200 amp hour ampere time and a Li time, which are the exact same batteries. I have a Renogy display on this and a Renogy 2000 watt inverter. And this is out in one of my sheds, and I use this for stereo out here, which you can hear there. I also use it for freezers. Right now I don't have the breaker on for the solar because it's at 95%, so I want to run it down a little bit before I get back to that. But this is built on a little cart. I think it's typically used for luggage. I bought this at Harbor Freight. So all of these systems you can move around, take them from one place to the other. The small system here we use a little bit out at our garden. So it's real convenient for that, and it's real light. All right, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.